Good morning student. Today we are going to learn about reduction reaction. We have learned in last video what is meant by oxidation. There are three definitions regarding to oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or losing of hydrogen or losing of one or more electrons from the reactant in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation reaction. The definition of reduction reaction is opposite to that of oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction there is a addition of oxygen and losing of hydrogen. In reduction reaction there is a addition of hydrogen and losing of oxygen. So if you understand the definition of oxidation reaction, easily you can write the definition of reduction reaction. Then what is meant by reduction reaction? We are going to learn page number 43. But can you tell this part is not for your exam? So this part is reduced from your study. Then next point is reduction reaction. Then what is the definition of reduction reaction? The chemical reaction in which there is a addition of hydrogen or losing of oxygen. That chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. Or you can say the chemical reaction in which reactant gains hydrogen or loses oxygen from the chemical reaction. That reaction is called as reduction reaction. Then next point is reductant or reducing agent. Then what is the definition of reductant or reducing agent? First you can see definition of reduction reaction. The chemical reaction in which reactant gains hydrogen or loses oxygen from the product is called reduction reaction. Then reducing agent or reductant. What is the definition of reducing agent or reductant? The substances that brings about reduction process is called reducing agent or reductant. The substances that brings about reduction is called reductant or reducing agent. बघा म्हणजे असे केमिकल सबस्टन्सेस जे रिडक्शन घडवून आणतात त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? रिड्युसिंग एजंट और रिडक्टंट. Then what are the examples of reduction reaction? Maybe question is asked in your exam. Write the definition of reduction and its two examples. Then what are the examples of reduction reaction? First example is when hydrogen gas is passed over black copper oxide, a reddish colored layer of copper is formed. Then in this reaction oxygen atom is removed from copper oxide, CuO. CuO means copper oxide, to form copper. Hence this reaction is reduction reaction. Then what is the equation? CuO solid, this is copper oxide. Here you can see addition of hydrogen to the reactant. बघा इथं या रिएक्शन मध्ये लक्षात येईल इथं कोण ऍड व्हायला लागले तर हायड्रोजन गॅस ऍड होत आहे म्हणून ही रिएक्शन कोणती आहे? रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. CuO solid plus H2 gas, it give rise to CuS, that is copper, plus H2O, that is liquid. So in this reaction you can see बघा CuO मधला ऑक्सिजन बघा कुणाबरोबर कंबाईन होतो तर H2 बरोबर आणि प्रोडक्ट साइडला तुम्हाला काय मिळतोय? H2O, that is water, and copper is separated. म्हणजे CuO मधला ऑक्सिजन निघून जाणार, H2 बरोबर कंबाईन होणार आणि कॉपर रिमेन्स ॲज इट इज. So here you can see addition of hydrogen. So this reaction is reduction reaction. Now what is the next example? When H2 gas is passed over red hot coke. Coke means it is a form of coal. कोलचा एक फॉर्म आहे काय, कोक. त्यावरून जर आपण हायड्रोजन गॅस पास केला, then we will get methane. So what is the chemical reaction? Carbon solid plus 2H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas, it give rise to CH4 gas, that is methane. So here you can see in this reaction there is a addition of hydrogen to the carbon. बघा इथं ॲडिशन काय व्हायला लागल्या, कुणाची व्हायला लागल्या, कार्बन आणि हायड्रोजन. सो व्हेन इन एनी केमिकल रिएक्शन देर इज अ ॲडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन, then that chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. So you have to memorize these two examples. You have to practice. कुठल्याही केमिकल रिएक्शनचे 2 एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही पाठच करायचे आहेत, कारण एक्झाममध्ये विचारू शकतात की कुठलीही 2 एक्झाम्पल लिहा. मग ते ऑक्सिडेशन असू दे, रिडक्शन असू दे, एक्झोथर्मिक असू दे, एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन असू दे. सो यू हॅव टू बघा हे पाठच करायचं विथ अ केमिकल इक्वेशन. नाव नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. आफ्टर ऑक्सिडेशन अँड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. What is meant by redox reaction? The chemical reaction in which oxidation reaction and reduction reaction occur simultaneously. That chemical reaction is called as redox reaction. बघा अशा केमिकल रिएक्शन ज्यामध्ये ऑक्सिडेशन रिएक्शन आणि रिडक्शन रिएक्शन दोन्ही पण एकाच वेळेला होतात, अशा केमिकल रिएक्शनना काय म्हणायचं, redox reaction. Simultaneously means at the same time. That is, in some chemical reaction, oxidation as well as reduction reaction occur at the same time. That chemical reactions are called as a redox reaction. You can see here the chemical reaction in which oxidation reaction and reduction reaction occur simultaneously are called as a redox reaction. In this reaction, reductant is oxidized by oxidant. In this reaction, reductant is oxidized by oxidant and oxidant is reduced by reactant. आता इथं रिड्यूस म्हणजे कमी करणे नव्हे, रिड्यूस म्हणजे ॲडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन. बघा एखाद्या केमिकल रिएक्शन मध्ये एखादा रिएक्टंट काय करतो, हायड्रोजन ऍड करून घेतो आणि ऑक्सिजनला सोडून देतो, त्यालाच काय म्हणायचं, रिडक्शन प्रोसेस. आणि ऑक्सिडेशन प्रोसेस म्हणजे दुसरा जो रिएक्टंट आहे तो ऑक्सिजन ऍक्सेप्ट करतो, म्हणून त्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हणायचं, ऑक्सिडेशन रिएक्शन. रिडक्टंट इज ऑक्सिडाइज्ड बाय ऑक्सिडंट आणि ऑक्सिडंट इज रिड्युस्ड बाय रिडक्टंट. So redox reaction is equal to reduction plus oxidation. That is, in this reaction both reaction occur, reduction as well as oxidation. Then what is the example? If you see, use your brain power on the page number 43. Some more examples of redox reaction are as follows. Identify the reductant and oxidant from them. That is, you have to identify reductant and oxidant from given examples. So I have written the example of redox reaction from your use your brain power. What is the example? First example, 2H2S, that is, this is hydrogen sulfide plus SO2 sulfur dioxide, it give rise to 3S, that is sulfur precipitate, plus H2O, that is water. Then how redox reaction occur in this reaction? Why we are calling this reaction as a redox reaction? In above chemical reaction, oxygen atom goes away from SO2. बघा इथे SO2 बघा, सल्फर डायऑक्साइड मधला ऑक्सिजन प्रोडक्ट मध्ये निघून जातो. बघा सल्फर डायऑक्साइड मधला ऑक्सिजन निघून जातो. बघा, इन दिस रिएक्शन ऑक्सिजन ॲटम गोज अवे फ्रॉम सल्फर डायऑक्साइड. सो रिडक्शन ऑफ सल्फर डायऑक्साइड टेक्स प्लेस. रिडक्शन कधी म्हणतो आपण? ॲडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन ऑर लुझिंग ऑफ ऑक्सिजन, याला रिडक्शन म्हणतात. आता इथे बघा, SO2 लुजेस ऑक्सिजन and it only form sulfur. So SO2, this compound undergoes, you can say, reduction process. In the same chemical reaction, you can see this oxygen combine with a hydrogen. Oxygen from SO2 combine with a hydrogen and formation of water, H2O. हा जो ऑक्सिजन इथनं रिलीज झालाय किंवा लूज झालाय तो कुणाशी कंबाईन होतो? हायड्रोजन बरोबर. अँड देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ H2O. सो यू कॅन से हायड्रोजन ॲटम ऑफ H2S टेक्स अप ऑक्सिजन. सो ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ H2S ऑकर. म्हणजे इथं रिडक्शन कुणाचं होत आहे? SO2चं. आणि ऑक्सिडेशन कुणाचं होत आहे? H2Sचं. सो in this reaction oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. एकाच वेळेला ऑक्सिडेशन आणि रिडक्शन होते. ऑक्सिडेशन कुणाचं होत आहे? H2Sचं, कारण हा काय करतो? ऑक्सिजन ऍक्सेप्ट करतो. रिडक्शन कुणाचं होत आहे? SO2चं, कारण हा ऑक्सिजन लूज करतो. सो दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो 2H2S plus SO2 give rise to 3S plus H2O. You can see here SO2 undergoes reduction because it loses oxygen and H2S accept oxygen. हा काय करतो? accept करतो. So you can say it undergoes oxidation. Now second example of redox reaction is MnO2, that is manganese dioxide plus 4HCl. It give rise to MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. In this chemical reaction you can see MnO2, it loses oxygen. When any substances loses oxygen, that is it undergoes reduction reaction. जेव्हा एखादा सबस्टन्स ऑक्सिजन लूज करतो तेव्हा तो कुठल्या रिएक्शन मध्ये आहे? रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. सो यू कॅन सी हियर MnO2, that is manganese dioxide, releases or loses oxygen and hydrogen atom in HCl accept oxygen from MnO2. म्हणजे HCl मधला हायड्रोजन जो आहे तो काय ऍक्सेप्ट करतो? ऑक्सिजन. So to the product side you can see water molecule H2O, that is HCl undergoes oxidation reaction and MnO2 undergoes reduction reaction. So in this chemical reaction oxidation as well as reduction occur simultaneously or at the same time. So this reaction is called a redox reaction. So you can write this example also. MnO2 plus 4HCl, it give rise to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In this above chemical reaction, MnO2 loses oxygen, so it undergoes reduction reaction and hydrogen atom from HCl accept oxygen, so it undergoes oxidation reaction. Oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously or at the same time. So this reaction is called as redox reaction. You can write this 4HCl. It converted into H2O, that is it accept oxygen. So it undergoes oxidation process. Similarly MnO2, it loses oxygen and converted into MnCl2. MnO2 मधला ऑक्सिजन निघून जातो आणि त्याचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होते? MnCl2. So MnO2 undergoes reduction process. So this is another example of a redox reaction.